And text 4, Bali Maharaj replies to his guru and actually preaches to him. Because his last instruction of Shukracharya was teaching Bali Maharaj to lie in 8 different circumstances. Bali said, Na yasat yat paro adharmo. He says that compulsion to untruthfulness, asatyam, is para adharma. He's saying, Bali replies to the teaching of his guru and says, there is nothing more sinful than untruthfulness. He's saying asatya, untruthfulness, in other words, lying is the most sinful activity. It's para adharma, it's the topmost adharma. And then Bali Maharaj goes on, he said, because of this, Mother Earth once said, I can bear anything, heavy thing, Himalayas, mountains, or anything, but I can't bear the weight of a person who is a liar. Of course, in Kali Yuga, lying is a common affair. Even in the most common dealings, people are accustomed to speaking so many lies. No one is free from the sinful reactions of speaking lies. Under the circumstances, one can just imagine how this lying propensity has overburdened Mother Earth and indeed the entire universe. That's certainly a fact in Kali Yuga, which is predicted in the 12th canto. Layeva vyavaharike. That everyone will be a liar. Bali Maharaj was thinking that although his guru was advising him, he thought that it would actually be quite improper and wrong to withdraw his promise to the brahmachari. To lie or fail to honor a promise given to a brahmachari is never proper, for lying is the most sinful activity. As Prabhupada said, lying has become commonplace in modern society. Even in the most common dealings, people are accustomed to speaking so many lies. According to Shastra, lying is para adharma, asatyam. Untruthfulness or lying is considered the most sinful. Adharma is the topmost irreligious activity. Because the Shastras say we should be prepared to tell the truth even to an enemy. In his preaching to his guru, Bali Maharaj is explaining about the great saintly people of the past who gave everything, sacrificed everything to benefit the people, Shibi and Dadichi. Prabhupada cites in the purport, Janaka Pandit says that since our money and possessions do not last, but will somehow or other be taken away, as long as they're in our possession, it's better to use them for charity to a noble cause. So because of this, Bali Maharaj decided to defy the order of his so-called spiritual master. In other words, give charity now. Why wait? Because tomorrow may be too late.